Okay, you guys, I am back with another wig review. This one is again from Braids Queen. This is her. This is it. This is bigger braids. This is actually braids, not twists like the last one. You see, it is very, very long. It is very light. It does not have any combs in it, but it works. It works. You see, I added a little jewelry. I think the braids look really good. If you could get in there, you see. One thing I do like is that they are bigger braids. So since it's bigger, it looks more natural, I guess you could say, because it's giving you more parts, more visual scalp, I guess. And then because I got it in black, it stands out a little bit more. This is a beauty, and keep watching so that you can see how I did it, how I put it on. I put it on in less than like 10 minutes. It was rushed. I ain't gonna lie, it's the end of the day. I didn't want to take up too much time putting this wig on my head, especially because I'm not about to go anywhere. So keep on watching on how I put the wig on.